Do you want to speak English more fluently starting today? Here are 5 tips that nobody teaches you.
Tip 1. Learn informal expressions. Fluent English doesn't always sound textbook perfect. Real people use informal expressions all the time. So instead of using I'm very tired, I'm exhausted, or even I'm dead tired. Instead of I don't understand, I'm not following you. Wait, what? Tip 2. Use filler words like so, well, actually. Native speakers pause a lot, but they use fillers to sound fluent. For example, well, I'm not sure. So, what do you think? Actually, I changed my mind. Tip 3. Master the schwa. It is found in weak syllables like about, photography. And also, you can link words with this sound. For instance, instead of saying a cup of tea, you can say a cup of tea. I want to eat it. I want to eat it. A bit of water. A bit of water. Give me it. Give me it. Tip number 4. Practice everywhere. You don't need a teacher all the time. You need your voice. You can talk to your dog, to the mirror. You can talk to yourself even in the shower. For instance, I am cooking pasta. Oh, what ingredients do I need? What is the English for sal? Salt. Okay, now I am adding salt. That's a lot of salt. Tip 5. Use hesitation sounds like R, R. These are tiny but powerful. They give you time to think. For example, could we watch a movie? I'm not sure. Let's try again. That's it. 5 tips to sound instantly more fluent in English. So, save the video and practice today.
Want part 2? Comment fluent and I'll make it happen.